Hi Rahul. Bro, it is clearly audible, no? For example, Vishal told morning, students are complaining about your voice. You're not reaching. Your voice is not reaching. I'm talking very slowly, no? This is only audible for clearly. क्या करना है मुझे इधर Hello, JNV Bagalkota students. Hi. Are you there? Guys, I'm an audible, right? Let me know. Yes, I'm an audible. Are you there? Please do text me in a chat box. Is my screen is visible to everyone properly there? Do text me in a chat box quickly. Hi Purva. Let me know quickly in a chat box, or else you may participate in a poll also. I launched the poll. Okay, please do participate and let me know whether I'm an audible properly there. God. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, we will start the session very soon, guys. Okay. Before that, let's wait for a few minutes. Okay. बागलकोटे में रिटेंशन नहीं दिया क्या? रिटेंशन हॉलीडेज संक्रांति holidays they didn't give, I think, right? Purva, may I know from which school you are? Do active in a chat box. Okay. Guys, from Bagalkote school, are you present there, everyone? Let me know through the chat box, or else you can turn on your video once. If it is convenient means, if it is convenient means, do turn on your video once. Or else, is there any problem you are facing means, please do let me know through the chat box while turning on that camera, or else doing texting also. I need response, yeah. I need responses. Are you getting my voice correct? Yes, Jane we could also join. Yes, well. Yes, guys, joins are joined. Okay, cool. Guys, those who are joining now, please do participate in our technical poll and let me know I'm an audible and my screen is visible to you, all of you properly or not. Okay, clear, right? Yes, right. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you for participating here. Okay, let's start the session. Okay. taking the circular motion, right? This is Sham. Actually, I'm working as a program associate at JME Haveri. Okay. And in last class, we are talking about circular motion. We started with the circular motion. That is also uniform circular motion. And in uniform circular motion, we got to know few formulas to find out the linear velocity, angular velocity, linear speed, linear displacement, and angular displacement. Correct now? Linear acceleration and as well as angular acceleration. Okay. And by the end of the last week, we started with the non-uniform acceleration. No, sorry, application of the uniform motion. Correct now? Right? Today we are going to take on two application which are regarding about the which are regarding about uniform circular motion. Correct. First one is that banking of road, and second one is that not first banking of road we will discuss, which is directly reported to the uniform circular motion. Second one will be non-uniform circular motion. क्या होता है? And based on these two topics, we are going to discuss few numericals. Vatan sir, when you will start second term? Yeah, second term means I don't know. Actually, the online classes will be started from recently to all of you. Correct now? Just 2 months over. Within 2 months, before 2 months only, they started online classes. I know, as per my knowledge. Okay, we need to take each and every chapters. Okay, we'll start very soon. Okay, no need to worry. Cool. Okay, before starting this concept, guys, let us take a quick recap what we discussed in our last previous classes. Okay, quickly we will go through the recap. First thing is about change in velocity. Correct now? If your velocity vector will be changed, means we have got a formula to find out the change in velocity. Correct now? That is v2 minus v1. Or else in a vector law of addition method also we got to know that change in velocity का value क्या होता है? v1 square plus v2 square minus 2v1 v2. Based on this one also we solve one problem. Clear enough? Next coming one is skidding of a vehicle in a leveling road. Means in a level road, if the vehicle should not skid, means what is the maximum velocity it has to maintain. Correct now? We solve that one equation. V is equal to under root of mu r g. Correct enough? Here V stands for maximum velocity which the vehicle has to maintain, and mu stands for coefficient of friction. I will tell you when we are discussing this when we start the Newton's laws of motion at the time what is the coefficient of friction and in a depth way. Okay, right? And then one r. R means when it is moving in a circular path, it has an imaginary circle. Correct ना? वो curved path के साथ क्या होता है? एक imaginary circle बनता है. That is known as the radius. There means in that circle one radius we are going to take, that is the r value, and g is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. Correct है ना? Next one is bending of cyclist. Correct? This is our topic which we discussed in the last class. The bending of cyclist क्या है ना? When you are moving in a curved path, actually you won't go in a straight. You are not maintaining your vehicle in a straight. Correct now? During the circle come in a curved path means you're going to bend towards the circle. Correct now? How much angle you're going to bend, right? To maintain your velocity and as well as without skipping there, you're going to move over the curve, right? You have to find out. Correct now? That is a concept here. It came bending of cyclist. In an animation, you might be observed here, right? A person which is riding the bike in a curved path is actually slanting the bike with some angle. Correct now? It is with respect to their velocity, how much velocity is coming, right? What is the velocity is maintaining? Based on that one, is going to bend towards the circle. This is known as the bending of cyclist. Here, what is the angle of bending and what is the minimum with respect to the velocity, right? We found out one equation that is equal to tan theta is equal to v square by rg. Tan theta is equal to v square by rg. Here, when it is moving in a circular path, here the centripetal force which will be means centripetal force को balance करता है frictional force. Correct now? The necessary frictional force only provides the centripetal force. Keep that one in mind. Clear? These are all the things which we discussed in a previous class. Clear? Is there any doubt, guys? May I know in a chat box? Do text me now. Yes. Thank you, Suman. Awesome. Right. If it is clear means I have a question based on this one. Okay. Let me know through the chat box. What is the correct answer for this question? The force which is required to balance the centripetal force for a vehicle which is moving in a circular path. Centripetal force को maintain करना है इधर. Yes. Good. Good. You people are active. Okay. Yes, right answer, guys. The necessary centripetal force will be provided by the frictional force. Clear? Awesome. Let's jump into our directly to the concept. Okay. Actually, I think I given this problem for the homework. Yes. Oh, awesome. Yes, Suman. Okay. I will clear this problem now. Okay. No worries. A boy on a cycle pedals around a circle of 20 meters radius. Okay. एक circle है, means curved path. वो curved path का radius कितना है? They given radius will be 20 meter. हाँ, right, Mohan, right. Right, Manthan. Sorry, Manthan. Right, bro. Right. Okay. At the speed of 20 meter per second. वो speed maintain कर रहा है 20 meter per second से. The combined mass of a cycle, combined mass and boy of the cycle will be given. M value will be 90 kg. Right. The angle that the cycle makes with the vertical, so it may not fall. Means what angle he has to maintain. Right. He should not fall that place and he easily escape with the velocity what he maintained. That one we need to find out. Simple sa, correct na? Now only we derive one equation, that is tan theta is equal to v square by rg. Correct? Here v square क्या है? V का value 20 they given, 20 meter per second. V square means 20 into 20 होता है, divided by radius कितना दे दी given 20 meter into g का value कितना होता है 10. While solving you take 10. Sometimes they given in a fraction means you take 9.8. Okay, decimal point में दे दिया तो 9.8 ले लो. It is very easy to cancel the point there. Cool. Okay, इधर 10 ones are 10 twos are 20 ones are cancel. Correct na? Hence we got tan theta is equal to 2. Right. Correct na? This is a basic question. There's no problem. If suppose they will give like this, the value of tan inverse of 2 after completion of the concept, they might be given like this. Take tan inverse of 2 as something. Okay, some values they will give. Okay, at the time you just multiply the value with you. Or else you just compare the given option with the what you got the answer. Cool. Then for the present state, the correct answer will be tan theta is equal to 2. Right. We'll jump to the next question. Okay. Yes. Next question है इधर. Sundarta question. If a cyclist moving with a speed of 4.9 meter, sorry, I overlapped that one. Yes, 4.9 meter per second on a level road, can take a sharp circular turn of radius 4 meter. Okay, actually speed कितना दे दिया है? Speed है 4.9 meter per second. Right? The circular path, उसका radius कितना है? Radius will be 2 meter. The coefficient of friction between a cycle tire and the road is, means they ask you to find out the value of mu. What is the value of mu there? We need to find it. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes of time. Okay, time is started to run. Let me know who will give the I will check who will give the correct answer for this question. 2 minutes, guys. Exactly 2 minutes. Hello, my YouTube friends. Answer, right answer, right answer. Well, well, well answer. Those who are watching in YouTube, you may also give the answer for this question. Don't sit idly. Okay, try it, try it, try it. Last 1 minute to go. Yes, good. Yes, Ketar, right answer, bro. Well done, well done. Okay, time up, guys. Oh shit. थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया आपका. Last one, I know. Suman, थोड़ा सा mistake. I don't know where you did mistake this one. Okay. कैसे चालू करना है इधर? Actually, they didn't give the value of theta also, right? But we got to know one equation where actually when it is coming to circular motion, okay, when a particle which is moving in a circular path, okay, इसका necessary centripetal force होता है ना, it is provided by the frictional force I told. Frictional force will be acting between the tires and the road towards the center, means this one will be balanced by the centripetal force FC. Correct है ना? Right? Now balance these two forces here. F is equal to FC. F stands for frictional force. Last day I told you an equation for the frictional force. Just be remind this. Okay, mu into n is equal to frictional force क्या होता है? mv square by r होता है. Correct ना? N means क्या होता है? N will be the normal force which balances the weight of an object mg. Correct? Substitute the value of n. Is here n is nothing but m into g. Here mu into n means m into g होता है is equal to m v square by r. Correct? Here m cancel. We need to find out the value of mu. Mu value क्या होता है इधर? V square by r g. Correct now? They given a value of V 4.9 meter per second. R value they given 2 meter. Okay. G value कितना होता है? Guys, 10 meter per second square. Already I told no. Substitute this all the values. 4.9 into 4.9 divided by R का value कितना दे given? 2 meter. 2 into G का value कितना होता है? 10. Clear? Just you solve this equation, you will get the value for the mu value will be equal to 0.61. I solve this one, that's why I'm giving directly answer. Okay, the value of mu will be 0.61. Clear? Let me know. Is there any doubt in this question? I hope it is clear, right? Bagalkote students, Kodagu. Only 2 schools. I think you don't have enough holidays, right? Yes. Yeah. I will tell you again. Okay. Here they given. Okay. A cyclist is moving in a circular path. Okay. A cyclist. You are the cyclist. Okay. You are moving in a curved path. You're maintaining the velocity 4.9 meter per second. 4.9 meter per second velocity जा रहा है. Okay, on a leveling road. Okay, take a sharp circular turn. In that circular turn, the circular turn has a radius 4 meter. That turn है ना, उसका radius है 4 meter. then coefficient of friction between a cycle tires and the road is. They are asking between a tire and as well as the road, what is the coefficient of friction? Coefficient of friction का वैल्यू टर्म होता है म्यू, इसको फाइंड आउट करना है. ये आता है फ्रिक्शन से, इधर फ्रिक्शन. Okay, actually when I'm explaining this topic, I told you we are going to discuss this friction in a deep in a Newton's laws of motion. Okay, just for the purpose, just you know, value of friction hota hai mu into n. It's a constant quantity. Okay, it is depending upon the surfaces, hard surfaces and less surface. Based on that one, the value will be changed hota hai. Okay, now when it is moving in a circular path, cyclist between on that cyclist, there are two forces will be acting, right? Always, if it is a rest means normal force will be balanced by the weight of an object. But here, when it is moving in a circular path, the centripetal force hota na towards the center. Now I took this one as a centrifugal force. It's an imaginary force. We need to balance this one, right? This balanced force will be happens by the frictional force. Correct? Now that's why I told frictional force will balance as the centripetal force. Correct? Here frictional force balances the centripetal force. Frictional force के लिए equation क्या होता है? Mu into n. We need to find out the value of mu. N क्या होता है? Normal force. Here normal force का value किसको equal होता है? Weight of an object mg. Correct ना? I substitute the value of normal force as an mg. Here I took no. In right hand side mv square by r. Both the side get cancelled and mu का value कितना होता है इधर? V square by r. If you take g to right hand side means it will come to the denominator. Substitute the values. V they given linear velocity 4.9 meter per second. This is also 4.9 meter per second divided by r. Radius कितना they given 4 meter and g का value कितना they given 10. If they are not giving means also you can substitute the value of g will be 10 meter per second square. This is the acceleration due to gravity. Clear? I think it is clear, hope. Okay, coming to the next point. Now, banking of road. Please do text me in a chat box if it is clear means. Yes, okay, yes, good. Okay, next concept is about banking of road. Banking of road क्या होता है? रोड के ऊपर बैंक को कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है ना, राइट? एक्सिस बैंक, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, विजया बैंक, कर्नाटका बैंक, इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है किधर? रोड के ऊपर. यही होता है बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड, राइट? यस, नो, यस, कूल. बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड होता है क्या ना? Actually, I told you, you are a cyclist. Are you going with a bike? Correct now. At the time in a straight road, you will maintain 50 km/h means, right? If a curved road will become means what you will do actually? You are going to bend towards the center. Means you are going to bend. Correct now, with respect to the velocity to maintain the same speed in a circular path. But vehicles like a 4-wheelers, 6-wheelers, 10-wheelers, they can't bend by themselves. Means they can't able to incline themselves. Correct now? For that reason, what we have to do here during the curved path, in a curved path, compared to how to I explain? I hope just a minute. Yes, आपको मेरा pen pad दिख रहा है ना? Right. This is actually leveling road. Okay. If it is curved road came means what we will do? This is the inner road. This is the outer road edge. Outer road edge को थोड़ा सा bend करता है. Bend करता means we are going to make some height outer edge compared to the inner edge. Right? Just we are going to incline the outer edge with respect to the inner edge. Correct now? This process is known as the banking of road. This process we call banking of road. Banking of road is nothing but, guys, banking of road is nothing but incline the outer edge of the road, means rising the outer edge height with respect to the inner edge. Correct now? This process is called the banking of road. Yes. Okay, just imagine, guys. This is a curved path. This is one of the curved path. In this curved path, this is a horizontal road actually. This is a horizontal road. This is inner edge. This is outer edge. Right? Now, a vehicle which is moving means, I told you, four-wheeler, eight-wheeler, they can't able to incline themselves. Correct? Huh? That's why what we are going to do, outer edge को थोड़ा सा hide करते हैं like this, compared to the inner edge. Now, from the inner edge, it's make an angle theta. Correct? Now, the vehicle which is coming from, if it is coming from 50 kilometer per hour means easily with respect to this angle, it will pass us through that curved path. Clear enough? Or else we don't know the time, what is the angle they incline in that curved path. Correct now? At the time, what is the velocity we have to maintain by the vehicle? That is what we need to find out. Correct now? Or else they may be given like this also. The width of the road will be here they took, correct now? X in this right hand figure, X, and height of the we are going to incline the outer edge by H. During this condition, what will be the minimum velocity should be maintained by the driver who is coming in a vehicle on that curved path? They might be asked like this questions. Okay, we need to find out the value for the theta. How much angle in a curved path they has to rise with respect to their imaginary circle there. Correct now? With respect to that angle, how much velocity the vehicle should maintain, right? Same things what we discussed in a cyclist part, no? Same in a similar way, right? For that, that's why I'm explaining in the right figure. You might you might be observed here. This is a vehicle, a car hai, ambassador car hai. Okay, on this car, always one force will be acting towards the earth. It will not change its direction. It is always vertically downward only. We call this one as a weight of an object. That is mg. Correct now? And actually, I told when particle which is at rest, normal force will be act होता है. Normal force कैसे act होता है? Surface contact होता है ना, वो contacted surface से perpendicularly act होता है. This is called the normal force. Here the given R, I'm going to trace that as an N. Actually, normal I'm going to represent with the N. That's it. Cool. Now, if it is moving smoothly means normal force should be balance the weight of an object. But normal force is not balancing weight of an object here. Correct now? That's why what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to split this normal force into two components, along horizontal and as well as along vertical direction. Correct now? That time, क्या होता है? देखो इधर. Actually, these are the free body diagram, which we are going to discuss in the next chapter only. Okay, free body diagram also. Okay, but just for the purpose, you just listen this. Okay, here if you take the component, horizontal component means it will become R cos theta. Means here this is nothing but n cos theta. Angle create करता है ना, वो cos theta होता है. Theta angle. Remaining thing will be 90 minus cos theta. It will come here. It will be n sin theta. Now it is clear. Correct now? Now look at here. During in this condition, actually it is a circular motion, circular path here either. Correct now? Now, what are the vertical forces? What are the horizontal forces? We need to find out. Here, vertical forces क्या है? N cos theta. This n cos theta value is there. No, this balances the weight of an object. Weight of an object को balance कर रहा है. इधर n sin theta भी है ना, right? इसको एक force होना चाहिए इधर, pseudo force. That is a centripetal force here. That is mv square by r. If you know up to here means everything is fine. Right, Suman. Right, Suman. Good. Good. Okay. Then now, what are the vertical forces there? Actually, N cos theta balances the mg. No, we note down that forces. Okay, we will note that forces. क्या है इधर vertical force क्या था n cos theta. Actually, it balances the weight of an object mg. I'm going to call this equation number 1. Correct now? Horizontal force क्या था? Look at once again here. N sin theta, which balances the pseudo force of the centripetal force. That is mv square by r. Note on that one also here. क्या है? Horizontal force इधर. Horizontal forces. क्या क्या था? N sin theta, which balances the mv square by r. Call equation number 2. Actually, I need to find out the value of v square and as well as theta. Correct now? That's why what I will do, I'm going to divide these two equations. Equation 2 by 1. Same. Last day we did know in the same way. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. What we will get? Look at here. Equation 2 क्या है? N sin theta is equal to mv square by r. Correct? Divided by, sorry, इधर थोड़ा सा गलती हो गई. गलती नहीं. I didn't draw the line properly. Okay. Then equation 1 क्या है? N cos theta is equal to m into g. इधर r तो मल्टीप्लाई होता है इसके साथ. r तो इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है. m get cancel. Remaining thing will be here n cancel. Sin theta by upon cos theta means tan theta is equal to, remaining thing will be here v square by r into g. Yes, bro, n cancel होता है. Right. Good. Tan theta is equal to v square by rj. Again, we got the same equation. Okay, with respect to the theta, we have to maintain the maximum velocity. Clear enough? And in sometimes they won't given a value of theta. At the time, what we need to do? Theta value नहीं देता है. Theta value नहीं देता है वो. Right? At the time, look at. If it is not given a theta means actually tan theta क्या होता है? Opposite by adjacent होता है ना? Opposite side by adjacent side. Right? If you apply the opposite side by adjacent means here tan theta का value क्या है? देखो इधर tan theta is equal to इधर opposite side है h, adjacent side है h. Sorry x. Then it will become h by x. Right? This is also equal to m v square by r. Good. Right now, I hope you got the concept. Correct? बता दो in a chat box में. If it is understood means we'll move to the next concept. Yes, right. Cool. Okay, look at here. This is a curved path. Actually, in our Karnataka, you may see the like this for roads in a. Yes, bro. Yes. Yes, I'm telling. This one, right? Actually, sometimes they won't give the angle theta. Okay, during that time, this is actually right angle triangle बनता है इधर. At the time, tan theta, how you are going to define? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. इधर opposite side क्या है? देखो इधर इस theta को opposite side है h. How much inclination you will do in a opposite road? Okay, and then here width of the road. Width of the road they given x. Right? By using this one, we can define the tan theta as an opposite by adjacent. Opposite है height कितना करना है, adjacent है width of the road कितना है. Right? These two are equals to mv square by r. Cool. Okay. What I was supposed to say? Yeah. In our Karnataka, actually, I'm also belonging to Karnataka. If you go for any Agumbe Ghat like that places means you oftenly see like this road. Correct now? In a curved sharp road, you might observe that when a lower end of the curved path will be, means one end of the path will be lower, outer edge will be slightly higher than the lower end. Okay, this is called the angle of banking or banking of road also. Cool. Okay, concept enough. What is the, we need to find out the answer for this question. Questions kya keh raha hai, the numericals. Okay, a vehicle is moving with a velocity v. A vehicle hai, actually it is moving with a velocity v on a curved road. Okay, of width hai b. और road का width they given b and the radius of curvature they given r. Radius of that road, curved road का imaginary circle बनता है ना, उसका radius है r. For counteracting the centrifugal force on the vehicle, the difference in elevation required between the outer and inner edge of the road, means for counteracting the centrifugal force counteracted करने के पहले, okay, what we have to, means how much height we need to incline in the outer edge compared to the inner edge they are asking. Okay, easy question hai. Okay, I will give exactly 2 minutes to solve this question also. I'm waiting for your answers. Time already started. Okay. इधर calculate करना है how much height we need to incline in the outer edge of the road to maintain the velocity. Same, how much it is, what is the velocity is maintaining the straight road. Means counteracting here centrifugal force, means centrifugal force के उसको एक maximum force होता है ना. If you are crossing that centrifugal force means क्या होता है, the vehicle will there is a chance to flip over the road. Correct? Last 1 minute to go. Well. No small. Small r का, small r क्या कर रहा है इधर? प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है इधर, प्रॉब्लम है. नहीं रॉन्ग आंसर. स्वीटी काट के कोशिश करो, कोशिश करो. You will do it. These are NEET questions, guys. These are previous year NEET question. Nice students. Jamie, no. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. I will explain it. करेक्ट ना, मैं हूं ना इधर आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. ओके, सॉल्व करते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, व्हीकल है which is moving in a velocity v. वेलोसिटी क्या है? v. करेक्ट ना? in a curved road with a width, they given width क्या है? Just look at this figure. This is a curved road. Actually this is my vehicle. हेलीकॉप्टर व्यू से देखो, इसको. Okay, this is my vehicle. Okay, इसका velocity they given v, correct ना? And the width of the road they given b. Okay, and the radius of the curvature, इस curvature का radius होता है ना, वो भी दे दिया है r, capital R. Okay, then centrifugal force will be contracting. The difference in elevation means inner edge से outer edge को क्या करते हैं हम? Inclination करते हैं ना इधर, right? During this condition, how much height we incline here, h value we need to find. That's it. Correct ना? Actually हमको पता है, according to the last concept, tan theta, how you will write? Tan theta is equal to v square by rg. Correct ना? v तो v है same, there is no change. r तो same, g also same, but r is not small r. Here they given capital R, radius. radius of curvature capital R. Correct now? Then theta value they didn't give. I told you if they didn't give the theta value means you write the opposite by adjacent side. Opposite side का value कितना है? H. Adjacent का value कितना है? B is equal to V square by instead of small r. Not B and A. Not B and A. Take it. Instead of small r, they given capital R and G as its same. Now we need to find out the how much elevation it is taking. H value we need to find out. H value क्या होता है? B square. B को इधर multiply कर से numerator आता है divided by R into G. Check it. Which answer is this one? Right. Here C and A both are correct answers. Both are correct answers. Right, bro. Well. So many of you have tried well. There's a big applause of applause. Correct. There's right answer. Yes, bro. Yes, correct. For everyone applauding. Okay. Cool. Okay. How a question है? First I will explain the question. Okay. Radius of curvature of a road for a certain road is 50 meter. They given a radius is 50 meter and the width of the road is 10 meter. Width, I will write directly. Width is equal to 10 meter. Outer edge is inclined at an angle 1.5 meter. Height, outer edge is inclined to 1.5 meter height. Okay. Than the inner edge के compare करने से outer edge to 1.5 meter height में the safest speed for which inclination will be means during in this condition these are the criteria for the circular path. Okay, they given these are the indent, it is present there. Curved path है उसका radius तो 50 meter है. The road width they given 10 meter. Okay, outer edge is inclined compared to the inner edge is 1.5 meter. They're asking to find out the value of the minimum speed the vehicle which has to maintain in that curved path. A curved path just velocity maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct है ना? I will give you exactly 2 minutes for this question. Quickly do quickly guys. इसके बाद क्या है? एक concept है. Quickly we are going to finish that one. Yes, almost all everybody is giving answer. I will solve this one. Just look at it. Okay, 2 minutes like you waste करना है ना. Correct. Good guys. Okay, how to solve this one? Actually saying tan theta is equal to b square by r into g. Here theta value they didn't given. That's why what we need to do. This is the curved road. This is the horizontal breadth. Okay, how much angle inclination they did? H value they given 1.5 meter. Substitute here. Tan theta means here h by b is equal to v square by r g. Correct. Now we need to find out the value of v square. What is the minimum velocity the vehicle driver has to maintain here? Then take this rg value to left hand side. इसका क्या है इधर? कुछ भी काम नहीं है ना right hand side में. Take it to left hand side. Then it will be h rg by b is equal to v square. इसका वैल्यू कितना है 1.5 इंटू आर का वैल्यू कितना है 50 मीटर रेडियस इंटू जी का वैल्यू कितना दे गिवन एक्चुअली इट विल नॉट गिवन बाय द प्रॉब्लम वी नीड टू राइट डाउन 10 करेक्ट ना डिवाइडेड बाय बी का वैल्यू कितना दे गिवन विड्थ दे गिवन 10 मीटर इज इक्वल टू वी स्क्वायर करेक्ट है ना ये 10 से 10 मर गया correct and then 50 into 1.5 is equal to v square 50 into 1.5 means v square का वैल्यू कितना होता है इधर v square will be होता है 75 meter per second correct ना we need to find out the value of v if the value of v needed means v will be होता है v is equal to under root of 75 को split करो 25 into 3 होता है under root of 25 into 3 5 sorry this is 3 correct now and then 25 का रूट क्या होता है 5√3 लॉन्ग हो रहा है ना 5√3 √3 का वैल्यू क्या है 1.6 करेक्ट ना if you multiply 1.61 for the 5 you will get the value of v will be equal to around 8 point कितना रहेगा 1 point sorry what is the answer for this one guys let me know 5 into √3 1.61 into 5 1.5 into sorry 1.6 into 5 na 8 meter per second is the correct answer नहीं यार हाँ नो चेक क्रॉस चेक इट वंस करेक्ट आंसर तो होता है 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड √3 का वैल्यू कितना आता है 1.61 ना √2 का वैल्यू होता है 1.41 √3 का वैल्यू 1.61 67 आई थिंक 61 और 60 होता है and then coming to next √4 होता है 2 होता है ना in between that value will be available 1.6 correct ना hence the correct answer will be obtained for 8 meter per second ऐसा है क्या चेक करो एक बार just a minute I will also check once okay हाँ right sorry यार it will become 8.66 correct √3 का वैल्यू होता है 1.7 राइट सॉरी 8.6 मेरे गलती है करेक्ट आंसर है बी राइट आंसर गाइस कोडगु डन वेल गुड okay I think it is understood then I have one more question नहीं क्वेश्चन तो नहीं है उसके ऊपर ये सर्कुलर मोशन में और एक कॉन्सेप्ट आता है concave bridge and as well as convex bridge में when vehicle is moving is what will be the normal force they might be asked normal force क्या होता है already I told no this is an object means this is an object so place this object on the surface means this below surface से ये surface के ऊपर से force होता है ना वो normal actually it is rest means this normal force will balance the weight of this object which is acting downward okay na right but here the thing is different kya hai idhar actually it's a concave bridge cave ki taraf bridge hai na yes right at this condition one force which is acting from the surface towards the center when it is moving we call that one as a centripetal force correct what we are going to call that one as when it is moving in a circular path उसको ऊपर फोर्स लगता है ना उसको हम कहते हैं सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स हाउ यू गोइंग टू राइट सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स होता है mv²/r ठीक है okay but on this force if you observe deeply again two forces are acting in a object correct now one which is normal force which should balance one is normal force another one is acting exactly towards the ground perpendicularly that is weight of an object mg right correct now this mg is not balancing the normal force correct now normal force here fixed which is acting always towards the center now right but this mg hai na this mg component which balances the normal force कैसे इधर mg को if you split means here mg cos theta and towards this side mg sin theta आता है this mg sin theta makes necessary velocity means acceleration करता है उधर से now it is not needed acceleration okay just for the purpose I told you okay now this mg cos theta है ना which balances the normal force and also when it is moving in a circular path in a concave bridge it is possesses the centripetal force actually centripetal force का इक्वेशन क्या है mv²/r इधर फोर्स है ना सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स इसके अंदर आउट टू फोर्सेस है दे आर one is normal another one is mg cos theta two forces are there write down the two forces here first one is normal plus another one is mg cos theta mg cos theta is equal to mv square by r. But the normal force which is acting actually upward direction. Look at here carefully. Correct, na? Normal force which is acting upward direction, mg cos theta acting downward direction. They are actually opposite forces. साइन तो चेंज करना पड़ता है ना. देन इधर क्या होता है, इधर mg cos theta है ना. We need to write this one as a minus mg cos theta. Now if you open the bracket, it will become n minus, it will become n minus mg cos theta is equal to mv square by r. Right? Now, if they ask to find out the value of normal force, right? Take this mg cos theta value to right hand side. At the time you will get n is equal to mv square by r plus mg cos theta. Clear है ना? ये इक्वेशन. नॉर्मल फोर्स कितना लगता है उस समय में, राइट? दे विल आस्क. Okay, this is a short. Note on this one. I'll send this notes also in a group, no worries. And meanwhile, guys, do participate in my NPS. Okay, I will launch the poll of NPS. Please do participate in NPS also. And next we'll discuss one more concept. After. Okay, coming to the next one is convex bridge. Okay, similar way, we need to find out the convex bridge. As usually, I told you, no, here one is which is moving in a convex bridge means centripetal force होता है. First one, ये force में कौन-कौन सी force act कर रहा है उसको इधर लिखना है. Correct ना? I don't want to explain this one completely. Okay, आज इसका आंसर आता है minus. N is equal to mg cos theta minus mv square by r. Just do note down this formula. Okay, please do note down this formula. We'll discuss a problem, then you will get to understand. क्या होता है mg cos theta minus mv square by r. Okay, next problem है इधर. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? ए रोड वे ब्रिज और एक कैनल. ओके, इधर एक कैनल है. दिस इज अ कैनल. एक्चुअली दिस अ रोड. करेक्ट ना? Form an arc circle of radius 20 meter. Means almost all like this it will be formed. इसका center radius कितना है? 20 meter देखिए. What is the minimum speed with the car can cross the bridge without leaving contact with the ground at the highest point? Highest point क्या होता है इधर में? Look at here. This is the highest point. I'm writing in the just be there. Yes, this is the highest point. This is a car. Correct now? It is moving in a convex bridge here, right? During this time, it has to maintain one velocity. Or else क्या होता है? If it is coming in a convex bridge means it will be more like this, like a aeroplane. Correct now? That's why here they given the speed which a car can cross the bridge without leaving the contact of the road. What is the minimum speed if the car should be maintained in this bridge? Right? It is a maximum point. On this maximum point, how many forces will be acting? One is acting downwards, mg. Another one is acting upwards, normal force. Somebody is giving answer. Right. Right, bro, right. I will check. Okay, do. I will give 1 minute time. What is the minimum velocity you people need to maintain here? 1% given answer. What is the condition for this problem? Convex bridge है, करेक्ट ना? कॉन्वेक्स ब्रिज में क्या होता है? आर का वैल्यू करने से नो ओनली वी गॉट राइट, आर इज इक्वल टू mg cos theta minus mv square by r. Sorry, m not mv square by r. We need to this one. वही तो है ना, v square by r. हाँ, mg cos theta minus v square by r is equal to r1. Correct now? Yes. Here when it is at the highest point, during its the highest point, this is the highest point, right? Vehicle का highest point होता है ना, इस point में force तो इधर है, normal force भी in this line में है, then what will be the angle between them? 0, right bro? Right. Theta value क्या होता है? 0 होता है. Then the equation turn out to be mg minus v square by rg is equal to r. R का value क्या होता है? Let me know. What is the value of R here? Actually, R होता है normal force. I told no normal force. It is n. Sorry, it will be n. This is the value of n. This value of n will be at this point. It will become 0. Okay, just because if it has a force means क्या होता है? The object which is moving in a circular path, it will be easily escaped from the contacted surface, right? That's why the value of n will become here 0. Value of n will become 0 because in a convex bridge highest point है. Correct now? Here more force will be mg, weight of an object, which is balance actually centripetal force. That's why n value 0 होता है इधर. Now mg is equal to माइनस वी स्क्वायर है, इक्वल से इधर आने से वी स्क्वायर बाय आर इंटू जी. करेक्ट है ना? व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट एक्चुअली, we need to find out the value of v square. What is the minimum velocity? Then how to find out this one? Remaining things, substitute the value. They given a value of, sorry, they didn't give the value of mass, right? Then क्या कुछ गड़बड़ है ना? Wait. Sorry, not 0. Sorry guys, this is for the answer. I did mistake here. Look at here. sorry. Actually, it is very. Just a minute, guys. Small correction. हाँ. V square by R. Force तो है ना ये. I did one small mistake here. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Wait. Yes. Sorry. Yes. इधर at a highest point क्या होता है ना? This in highest point. Okay. This value of mg, actually here I told value of normal will be 0, obviously, right? Correct now? But this only force will be acting on this object. Second force will be mv square by r. Correct now? Centripetal force will be equal to mv square by r. Correct now? One the force which is acting on here means it is nothing but mg. Replace this one with mg. Mg will be equal to here now mv square by r, right? Correct. Okay, here m से m cancel हो गया. We need to find out. Then it will become gr is equal to v square. V का value पता करना है means just take the square root here. Then it will become gr. Correct? This is the equation to find out here in this case. Cool. Now we know the value of G and we know the value of R also. The radius they given, G value also they given 9.8 meter per second. Right, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Manthan. Okay. V value क्या होता है? V is equal to under root of G का value they given 9.8 and R का value they given how much? 20 meter. Okay. If you substitute and calculate this one means you will get the answer nearly 14 meter per second. This is the value of velocity. Clear enough? Okay. I just made a small mistake here. Please do correct it. Okay. If it is clear means guys, I will give a homework question. Okay. Take this one as a homework question. This is a homework question. This is a homework question. Cool. I can't able to start that non-uniform acceleration. Okay. Tomorrow in our first 15 minutes, I will talk about the non-uniform acceleration and as well as a few basic problems based on the non-uniform acceleration. Yes, I will. And few basic problems for the non-uniform acceleration. Okay. Later on, I will start the new chapter. Okay. This is enough for the two-dimensional motion. I hope. Clear enough? Okay. Note on this one, I'll take a screenshot. Okay. I'm going to wrap up the session. We'll see in a tomorrow class. Okay, guys. This is our homework question. Cool. Still you have any doubt means you can unmute yourself and you can talk with me. No problem. I will unmute you all. If you have any doubt means you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Someone do one thing, bro. Text me in a telegram. Okay, I will send you the notes there. Note on this my number. Note on my number. Okay, 888-413-4967. Okay, do text me in a telegram. Okay, I will send you there. All the notes. 4 notes of को send करता है. Triple 8414967. Okay, cool. We'll see you in a tomorrow class. Take care. Bye bye.